to watching, like by a mile. And as a huge June Robles Lana fan, this film did not disappoint at all. Maganda ang kwento, solid ang execution, and may importanteng mensahe na talagang tumatama sa puso natin. And what really stood out to me was how Vice Ganda was able to evolve as an actor. You can still feel his signature humor, but it's more grounded and character-driven. Hindi yung puro punchlines lang. Mas restrained, mas emotional, and surprisingly very effective. Hindi siya corny, and when the emotional moments hit, it really hits. The acting was really strong across the board. Especially Nadine Lustre and the young lead, Lucas Andalio. Nadine honestly felt like she was really made for the role. She had all the makings of a beauty queen. Not just physically, but also in the way that she carried herself and handled the emotional beats really well. Lucas, on the other hand, really sold the emotion of sadness, yung pagiging confused kung kanino ba talaga siya mapupunta, sinong mother yung mapupunta sa kanya, and yung vulnerability na I feel like the character really required. Ang galing niya, like hindi ka maiinis or overactan. It really felt like it was very real and it was sincere. Also, I really appreciated how the film looks because it was color graded in a way na parang indie film yung atake niya. Hindi siya yung usual lighting na mapapanood natin sa Star Cinema films or specifically sa movies ni Vice Ganda, which I really appreciated. Parang ayun na yung naging trademark siguro ni June Robles Lana because a lot of his films are colored and edited really well. And before the film was played, we got a glimpse of the trailer for Sisa, which also looked really nice. And I'm also excited to watch Sisa then as well. So overall, Call Me Mother is such an entertaining and heartfelt watch. Balances the humor and emotion without losing its soul. This is the kind of MMFF film that you really want to watch with your family, especially with your mom. Because beyond laughs, it really makes you reflect on what it means to love, to accept, and to be a parent. So I highly recommend watching this film with your family, with your loved one, with your friends. It's a good time in the cinema. It's entertaining, and it's not your usual Vice Ganda film. May makikita kayong bago sa pagganap niya bilang aktor, and I'm sure there's a lesson to be learned sa lahat ng mga manonood. So this is a highly recommended watch, and I would rate this a 4 out of 5. What did you guys think of this review? Did you enjoy? Nagustuhan nyo rin ba yung Call Me Mother? Tell us in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino this MMFF season. Bye!